Sometimes we might not even know what the data type is that's being held inside a variable. This could be because we have such a long and complicated code that we just lost track. It could be because we received a variable from someone else's code. There are many other reasons, but exactly for that, we can have something called type. Type is a function. A function is essentially something that receives some sort of input and produces an output. Now, the input that this function receives, this type function, receives is a variable. Any kind of variable can be a good input for it, and the output that you'll get from it is going to be the type of this variable. So in our example over here, we have x equals 5. And then we're trying to print out what's the type of x. So the result is going to be int. We can see that x is actually the number 5. And like we said, the number 5 is a whole number, which actually makes it an integer. Int is short for integer. Now, if you're wondering, what can this type function return? It can actually return the types of integers, floats, strings, or booleans. Now, of course, there are more complex data types, such as dictionaries and lists, and everything in between. But as we move forward, we'll get more accustomed to all these different data types and learn how they'll look like when we use a type function. For now, go ahead and try to find out all the different types for the variables that we've created so far.